included in the textbook, which is essentially, well, okay. So this is the hard copy that I obtained elsewhere. But it looks like, I mean, it has a Chinese version of the cover, but everything inside is standard. Okay, everything inside is English. And the reason that I mentioned this one is that I have heard about. Okay, so I don't know if you need to purchase a PDF copy or a hard copy through the NYU bookstore, which probably is not so cheap, right? But this is a very affordable version that you can. Of course, it's the formal version, okay? But it's only authorized to be sold in China. Okay, so this version can be very easily obtained in any book vendors that you can find in China, for example, Dangdang.com, this kind of things. Okay, so it's just 99 RMB, which is 12 or 13 US dollars, which is very cheap. Okay, especially compared to the US versions. So we're going to use this book throughout this semester. And so yesterday, on Monday, we have gone through 1.1, and today our goal is the 1.2. Okay, so we have just talked about a lot of things on the higher level, okay, about the structure of the linear PDEs, and now we are getting into specific examples. So today we are going to deal with the simplest version of linear PDEs, which is the first order linear PDEs. Okay, and if we still have some time, I will try to get into 1.3. The first part of 1.3, the transfer equation. Okay, the transfer equation, which is exactly based on what we have learned in 1.2, which is the first order linear PDE. Okay, and another thing about so I will try to figure out all the details about logistics and present a syllabus later this week, probably tomorrow, or I hope tomorrow, but if not, definitely on Friday. Okay, and but for now, the tentative office hour is exactly the hour after the class. I hope that's available accessible for all of you. Okay, again, if you can't come to any one of the office hour, let me know. Definitely let me know, and let's figure out what we can do. Okay, cool. So yeah. So the again, let's say the last time what we have talked about is the linear structure. I mean, I understand that I have talked a lot about things like operators, like these non-invertible. I mean, all the differential operators are non-invertible, and about the linear spaces that are made up by the functions, right? Well, what I wish you to do right now is that put all of these things aside for a while, okay? Because because the next few lectures will be more based on the fundamental, but not the fundamental, but very basic, okay, physics, okay, and calculus, okay. So we will be starting from. So we have made a lot of comments, okay, and statements on a very high level. Okay, especially on the space of the function, the linear structure of the functional space. Okay, these kind of things, but these kind of things are not that relevant. Okay, in the next couple of classes. Okay, so we'll be restarting again from the angle. Okay, of very simple calculus and very simple physics. Okay, and then let's first establish some solid examples.